Okay, I'm just gonna read 2 poems that I really like. Okay. They're both by John Betjeman. That's Betjeman, and the first one is called Guilt. The clock is frozen in the tower. The thickling fog with silly smell has blanketed the motor power, which turns the London streets to hell, and footsteps with their lonely sound intensify the silence round. I haven't hope, I haven't faith. I live 2 lives and sometimes 3. The lives I live make life or death for those who have to live with me. Knowing the virtues that I lack, I pat myself upon the back. With breastplate of self-righteousness and shoes of smugness on my feet, before the urge in me grows less, I hurry off to make retreat. For somewhere burns a light to lead me out into the night. It glitters icy, full and cold, and leads me down the water room, into a warm electric train which travels for a stirring room, and crystal hung crowns of pine stand deadly still beside the line. That was Guilt, and Loneliness is probably my favorite poem ever. The laughter's leaves are on the beach, the twigs are black, the cold is dry, to deep beyond the deepest reach, the Easter bells enlarge the sky. Oh, ordered metal color clang, is yours the song the angels sang? You fill my heart with joy and grief, belief, and unbelief. And though you tell me I shall die, you say not how, or when, or why. Indifferent the fig should sing, and pleading will the lorries pass. What misery will this year bring? Now spring is in the air at last. For sure as blackburn bursts the snow, cancel the summer rest will grow. The tasty crematorium door shuts out the sun with furnace roar. But church bells open on the blast, our loneliness still longing back. I'll get it because we're back. Yeah. Okay. There's a piece here. I can flip it out, and then there's the exit. There you go. Come on. It's caught. There we go. I don't even know what's going on right now. Yeah. I don't know why I have it cut out, but I just saw that, and yeah. I also got this one. So,